Are you spending time trying to understand why you don't have money in the bank account, even if you have profits when you look at your financial statements? Hi, my name is Luciano, and I am an accountant and tax preparer that specializes in the construction industry. But I didn't start behind a desk, so let me tell you how I got here. So when I was 24, around 9 years ago, after graduating from economics in Italy, I decided to move to a developing country and start a business in the construction industry, take advantage of the situation and make some money. So you have to know that both my father and later my brother ran businesses in the construction industry. So since I can remember, since I was a kid, I have been dealing with estimates, job tracking, and to be honest, a lot of labor in the sites. So this is my business area. Even if I was young, I felt like I was ready to have my own business. So long story short, I went to Panama 2017, and after maybe 8 months working for other people, I started my own business. So basically, most of the time for 7 years as a business owner, I did waterproofing and roofing. So basically, I was doing flat roofs, both for commercial buildings and apartment buildings. The business was good. I was making more than decent money because I had the chance to buy a new track, not only to build my company from the ground, but also I purchased a piece of land and I built my house, also from the foundations. The business was good, but after these years of very intense work, driving long hours and between sites and dealing with crews. I had a crew even of 8 one time and doing a lot of stuff, sweating a lot, driving a lot. So I was started feeling pain in my knees and in my back, and sometimes also in my forearm because I was using a lot of tools. After around 7 years as a business owner in the construction industry, I understood that I needed to change. I started thinking about how long can I deal with these pains, these chronic pains. I got tired, so I decided to quit. I sold my business and I move on. So take the time, think about my new business. I got hired. I started working for a call center in English, specifically in a bank. So I was working for a very renowned bank, Capital One, and for almost 4 months I was dealing with US clients, talking with them, learning about bankruptcy, credit score. So once again, I was dealing with clients from the US, even in Panama, because I didn't tell you that when I was running my business in the construction industry, a lot of my clients were US citizens. You have to know that in Panama, we have an amazing US community. That's one of the reasons why they call it sometimes the 51st state. So the community is big. I really do enjoy spending time with folks from the US. When I was running my business in the construction industry here in Panama, I had the chance to work with for a very important American institution, which is the Smithsonian Institute. And they do some kind of research on animals and the weather. And they do have a lot of facilities here in Panama. So I had the chance to have them as clients. So in order to work for them and invoice them, I had to be compliant with the platform SAM.gov. I had to learn a lot, once again, in Panama about the United States. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to serve, even with my new business, my accounting and tax preparation business. I wanted to serve US clients, even from Panama. So I decided to start this business less than 1 year ago. I formed my LLC in Orlando, Florida, but I ran this business 90% of the time from Panama for cost reasons, of course. That's one of the reasons why I can give you a very high quality service, but at a fair rate. If you have business in the construction industry, if you are looking for somebody that is 100% specialized in your industry, if you are looking for an accountant that has real hands-on experience on the site, you are in the right place. So me and my team, we will assist you not only with normal accounting services, not just with bookkeeping, bank reconciliation, and financial statements. No, we will tailor the service especially for the construction industry because we work only with contractors. So we are quite unique. If you really want somebody specialized, if you really want to understand if that job was really profitable, if you want to understand maybe you have some kind of installation that you don't like but is giving you a good profit, a good margin, or sometimes you have a client that you think you should fire because sometimes we fire clients. So I will run for you reports comparing different clients, comparing different projects. That's all. If you're looking for a specialist that can really assist you with bookkeeping and tax preparation services, that's Akros numbers. So go ahead and visit my website and contact us and we can have a discovery call. So thank you for watching and I see you on my website.